Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimbo, and today we're doing an update video on this product right here. This is the Vonixx V-Plastic, and this is their trim restore and ceramic coating, which I thought was interesting, and I did a full length video applying this product and showing you kind of the before and after, but I left a few areas on the window crown of my car and then the rear bumper of my car, some little sections that I did not apply the ceramic coating to because I wanted to test the longevity, kind of give it a real world, if you will, test, even though I think real world is a little bit flawed because everyone's real world is different. Anyway, I wanted to do a 6-month update, and maybe we will do subsequent updates on this one, but I've been really impressed with this product. And when I bring you in, you could see it. It's amazing how well it's been holding up. I've put it through snow, we've had a ton of rain in California this past winter. I've washed the car probably a dozen times, and it still looks like I just applied it. So let me bring you in, show you the 6-month update, show you where I didn't apply it, and then maybe talk about some of the things where I see this could really be beneficial, where it may be better than a trim restore, or maybe equal to a trim restore. So all that and more coming up in this video, but let's go check it out on my car. This is by far the hardest and most awkward angle to get a video of the car, but I think it's pretty evident and clear. You could see where I did not apply the Vonixx and where I did. And I applied it all right here as well. Grab another angle from that other side. But this has not been topped. This has not been touched up. I've not applied tire dressing on top of it, nothing. And it looks just like it did from day one. Let me see if I can go get a different angle, but it's insane. Look at that 50-50. Insane the difference from where I applied it and where I didn't, and how well it's holding up. And I actually wash my car with an aggressive car wash soap every time, so I can do more of a no-touch option. So this has been getting a pH plus soap, definitely not a pH neutral. And so look at that, it's crazy. Love to see it though. And driver's side, here's a little bit better of an angle. So right there in the middle, obviously, is where I have not applied it. And all this is where I applied it. And if you go back to that original video, the application was super simple and very straightforward. It didn't take much to get these results at all, especially in those little nooks and crannies, and then not there. So again, not touched up with anything, no tire shine, no trim restore on top. This is a single layer of the V-Plastic. And on the back here, I've been kind of messing with the lighting to try to figure out, actually the camera is doing it a disservice, and I'm not just saying that, but I'm using this white spot as a reference. And the 50-50 is not as dramatic on the back, at least in this lighting, and I'm trying to figure out how to get it. So from here to here, I have no Vonixx applied. I will say one thing that was very interesting to me is when I first applied it, we went through like a dust storm. When I pull back out a little bit, you could really see that. It just looks so freaking good in person. When I first applied it, it was very strange. We went through a dust storm a few days later, and there was dust covering the entire plastic trim except for where I didn't apply it, which I thought was interesting. And you could really see it. You could really see, like, there was no dust sticking to where I didn't apply it. And I was like, what the heck? I kind of had a brain fart because I'm like, wait, did I apply it here and not here? Because it seemed like it should be the opposite. But after I cleaned it, the dust, though it had stuck originally to where I applied it and not where I didn't apply it, when I rinsed it, this spot where I didn't apply it stayed dirtier than this. There still was a little bit of dust there, just not a ton. And so that was interesting, but it's never happened again. That was just after the first application. So maybe I needed to actually level it, but I liked it shiny. But yeah, it looks phenomenal. So what do you think about the Vonixx V Pro? Now you are only getting about 1.6 ounces in the coating bottle, but honestly the window crown that I did and the rear bumper that I did takes up literally hardly any product, especially if you use like a auto fiber saver applicator or something where the coating is not gonna seep into it as much. But honestly, over the past 6 months, I've been incredibly impressed with how good this Vonixx ceramic coating. It's a ceramic coating, but for plastics, it's kind of still boggles my mind that doesn't seem like it's possible to have both things. But I've tried a lot of the wipes in the past and haven't had real good success with those. Not the Vonixx. Vonixx doesn't have wipes, but other branded like Trim Restore ceramic coating wipes. I've tried those and they've just been really funky and not consistent across multiple different types of plastics. And so this Vonixx V-Plastic, I have found that it is super consistent across multiple different types of plastics. And then the results just speak for themselves. I'm actually pretty blown away, and that's saying a lot coming from me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video and the Vonixx V-Plastic. Let me know what other cheap versus expensive video ideas or any other video or product torture tests that you want to see. I'm really trying to ramp that back up. Got a little burnout, to be honest, for a while on that, but I'm really looking to ramp that back up. So let me know what videos you would like to see or what products you would like to see in the videos. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. See ya.